What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back, and moving on to the next question, another problem dealing with labeling. So a team of 20 salespeople will be assigned to 5 cities, A, B, C, D, and E. How can the salespeople be assigned if 3 get assigned to city A? The same number will be assigned to B and C. The number assigned to D will be twice the number at B, and no more than half of the team to E. And we have to write our final answer in terms of factorials. So what's happening, there's 20 salespeople, and they got to be assigned to 5 cities, A, B, C, D, and E. And so what's going to happen is these are going to be the labels, the cities, and there's going to be multiple cases because notice that we're told that 3 are getting assigned to A for sure. And then the same number will be assigned to B and C. The number assigned to D will be twice the number of B, and then no more than half of the team can go to E. So what we want to do is, because the same number is going to be assigned to B and C, what we can do is we could just start off with maybe like 1 and 1 over here. And then notice that the number of salespeople assigned to city D will be twice the number assigned to B. So if 1 salesperson is assigned to city B, that means 2 will be assigned to D. Now there's 20 salespeople in total, so this row, these rows over here, always have to sum up to 20. So if we got 3, 1, 1, and 2, when we sum those up, that's 7. So there's 13 salespeople remaining to be assigned, so that means 13 are going to go to E, city E. However, notice that this case, is this a plausible case? Well, it's not because of this over here. Notice in the question it says no more than half of the team can be assigned to city E. And half of the team is 10, and notice 13 is greater than 10. So in this case over here, it can't work out because more than half of the team is going to city E, and that can't happen. And so this case would not work out. And so we go to the next case. So 3 is always going to get assigned to A, so this is always going to be 3. Now what if 2 get assigned to B? That means 2 gets assigned to C. That means 4 gets assigned to D, right? Double B. And so if we add these up, 5, 7, 11, 9 are left to be assigned to E. And notice how that's less than half the team. So this here is case 1. This is a plausible case right there. What about the next case? So 3, if this goes to 3, then these two are the same always. This is double this, so this would be 6. So we'd have 6, 9, 15, 5 would be left to get assigned to city E. And that's fine. 5 is less than half of the team. And then 3, we can do 4. 4 would be the next one. This and this are the same, 4 and 4. This would be 8. So we'd have 7, 11, 19. So there's 1 person left to be assigned to city E. And so this here would be the third case. And then notice that if we bump this up to 3, 5, 5, 10, we'd end up with 8, 13, plus 10 would give us 23, and that would be more than the salespeople we have. So that next case would not work out. So really, there's only 3 cases to deal with here. And so if we break this down, notice that, remember, these are the labels with 20 salespeople. That's how they're going to be labeled according to the cities. We could create 3 multinomial coefficients, and that's going to be the final answer. So for this first case, we'd have 20 factorial, the total number of salespeople, split up with 3, 2, 2, 4, and then 9, like that. And then the second case, this case here, would be 20 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 6 factorial, and then 5 factorial. Notice how all these numbers, they're always adding up to 20. And then the final, third case, would be 20 factorial. 3 still go to A, 4 goes to B, 4 goes to C, 8 go to D, and then there would be one person left, one salesperson left that goes to city E. And those are the only 3 cases, and so this here would be the final answer, and we're leaving it in terms of factorials because these numbers are going to be pretty big because of this 20 factorial here. Right, so that right there would be the final answer. We have 3 cases and then we have to add them up.